Hey, welcome to an overview about the community events we're currently driving in the EMEA central region like Germany, Austria, Switzerland for Microsoft 65. And I'm going to introduce you in 3 or 4 minutes what happened last week and what's currently happening this week. So stay tuned. Last Monday we started with the Austrian online meetup organized by Dennis Hopmeyer, and he talked about the Microsoft Teams Admin Center basics. My part was security compliance using sensitivity labels, difficult word, and retention labels. Next day, Simon Ducot from Coconeon invited to the Knowledge Jam Office 65 work hacks. And I talked about how to integrate the Yammer into Teams and how to use custom backgrounds in Teams. Then we went to Munich virtually. Corinna Linz invited us to the Microsoft Collaboration Meetup. My session was Office 65 10-to-10 migration with Quest on Demand, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Antje Lamartine and Andy Krüger talked about whatever you wanted to ask around Microsoft Teams and never dared to ask. And a lot of people said, listen, that's so great because usually I'm living in Hamburg or Berlin and Cologne. I cannot join the Munich event, but now due to Corona, we could definitely join Munich, and that was great. Next day, Microsoft Germany invited to the Innovation Biz Apps Barcamp organized by Gernot Kühn and Lutz. Then what else we had? We had the Hero Cafe, the virtual cafe of the community organized by Raphael Kölner. And this event was around Skype for Business migrations to Teams. And together with Raphael Kölner, I also recorded a podcast around the new communication compliance capabilities in the E5 suite and Compliance Center, which is relevant for for Teams, OneDrive, Exchange, hopefully soon for SharePoint and Yammer. We will see. And I also have published, I haven't published, I've just contributed a few chapters to a white paper published by Nigel Frank. It's called the COVID-19 Overcoming Business Challenges with Microsoft Azure. And the week for me ended last week on Saturday, which was around the Global Azure Bootcamp happening in different cities. Virtually everybody was somehow connected, and I switched between 2 different boot camps on Saturday. And then this week started on Monday, 9 o'clock. Christian Groß from Solution to Share opened the Team Summit and had many different speakers around how to enroll teams very, very quick, and how you do large live events, team growing and governance improvements, and 10 use cases for companies done by Alexander Egers. And tonight we are going to have another meeting organized by Martin Gudel from the Hamburg user group, and it's around Power BI and security of Office 65. That's happening right now, but you can still join, so that's the link. And you will find all the links on my website, ragnheil.de. And then in 2 days, we are having the Microsoft Teams Community Day in Germany. It's going to be in German, but everybody can join from other countries. It's a full day, only Teams focused, and my session will be around live events, streaming, multiple cameras, and also integrating with Yammer. Yammer will also close my speaking week, Ignite Tel Aviv. I'm not flying to Israel. It's a virtual event. The on-site event is cancelled, as you can imagine. And I'm talking about the future of Yammer roadmap and what they have rolled out over the last weeks and months. So please let me know if this is also interesting for you. That's currently my favorite way of learning. So I'm not reading technical books anymore. I'm not joining on-site classroom trainings. I'm not traveling to conferences due to COVID-19. So community events are my preferred way of learning. Hopefully you also enjoyed. And this was interesting. Leave me a comment and stay tuned and stay healthy. Bye-bye.